guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a review, and of course this makeup look, you guys. You guys are going to be getting ready with me, you guys. And I'm going to be talking to you guys about my BOXYCHARM. So I'm going to be unboxing my November BOXYCHARM, which is, I thought I said last time it was one of my favorites, but this one is my favorite because from the theme to the color of every product, I love, you guys. So if you guys want to learn how to create this look, then stay tuned. And Alright, so this is how your box looks, you guys. And you guys are going to pay about $21 a month, and it's a subscription service. You can cancel at any time, and you get $100 worth of products, you guys, or more. $100 worth of, it always gives you this little pamphlet, and this one will give you like information about every product. The first picture is going to be the theme of this box, which this one is Gold Digger, and I love the fact that it's like gold and golds, and it's that rhymes. That is a gold digger theme in that it's gold. Okay, so it tells you a little information about each product and also where you can find it, information about the brand and how much each product is. So I'm not getting paid for this video, you guys, or anything. They do send me this box monthly, so if you guys want me to create makeup videos monthly, you guys, using the BOXYCHARM, then let me know down below. You guys, I do have an affiliate code, which if you purchase from that code, that means that I get, you know, a commission out of it. So it really helps me out a lot, you know. So I will leave everything down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. And let's jump right in. First thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is the palette, and here is the packaging, and it's by Ace Beauty. I have never heard of this palette, I never heard of this brand, so this is why I love BOXYCHARM. Now, here is the packaging. I just love the details, you guys. One retails for $24.99, and the colors are so beautiful. I love the neutral colors. You have a couple of matte colors and also some shimmery ones. Like I said, I already used this palette yesterday, but I'm going to do it again for you guys because I have to refilm this video because it was just like gloomy looking. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I really don't use any primers anymore. Now I just use like straight up foundation or concealer. So I'm gonna be using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, which I love this thing, you guys. It works so good, and you can even use it as foundation. So I'm gonna apply it on my lids. This helps to clean up the brows, and also if you have a lot of bangs like myself, this just makes a nice canvas. Sometimes I do set it, sometimes I don't, but this time, since we have a lighter shade in this palette, which is a Patchouli, this one right here, I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Do you guys hear that? We got a puppy. It's not really a puppy, but it's a dog. She is huge. So now to start on my crease, I'm gonna use this brush, and this one is a Morphe M513, and as you can see, it's dirty. So this is the perfect time to use another product that came in the box, which is their what's it called, the Bodyography makeup brush cleaner. Now this one retails for $12, and it says that it's a cleansing, disinfecting your brushes, has never been easier, made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. This cleansing spray is easily disinfecting and conditioning your brushes. So it's made with natural and orange peels and gentle cleansers. So doesn't smell like anything, but I'm gonna spray this. I love a spray that smells so good. There's one that it's a blue one. Oh, that one smells so good, and also the one by It Cosmetics smells really good. So let's see. It did good. Or you can spray it directly to the brush. What I'm going to be using is cinnamon. And cinnamon looks like this. What are you smelling? I told Carlos yes. We got a dog. Now finally I'm going to know if there's a ghost in here. There's no ghost, but I'm just saying. The shadows are really easy to blend. They're really pigmented and they glide on so smoothly. I'm talking like if it's a lipstick, but it's not. But they work really, really good. And you see how that was a lot? Make sure you put a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, and then start building it up. Alright, so next I am going to be using this Luxie brushes. This one's came in the box as well. I love their packaging. I love Luxie brushes, you guys. I have some already. I am an owner of Luxie brushes. This is like my third packaging, but I have them in pink as well, as you guys can see. And here is a little close-up of the brushes. Just look at the details. I love the glitter. And at the bottom, it has like the name of the brushes and also the number. Now this one's retail for, they're the Luminous Eye Set, and they retail for $21, you guys. So I'm gonna grab the mini taper brush, which is the number 121, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna be grabbing Poopy. Does it say Poopy or Poppy? Back to school. To focus this one on the crease. It right here in the inner corner on the crease, and just it works really good. With the second brush, which is their 131, and it's called their mini angle brush, and it looks like this. The brow bone. What I'm gonna do, which I didn't do yesterday, I'm gonna cut the crease this time, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe E. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a Jasmine, and this one is Jasmine. I'm gonna use just a flat shader brush, and this one is by Sedona Lace in EB11. Apply it in the inner corner first, just patting it. I'm gonna grab the Luxie brush that was sent, which is the 131 brush, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna grab this one. I like the way that it's angled. I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend everything. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab the eyeliner, as you guys see, and I love, you guys, and I recommend this one to you guys. It's the one by the Bomb Cosmetics. Is their Schwing eyeliner. It is so good, you guys. I just love it. It's so pigmented, and the tip is, it doesn't even flinch, you know, it doesn't move at all or anything. It works really, really good. So let me grab that. So now for my next step, I'm going to mix cinnamon and poppy, and I'm going to be using the 141 mini round brush, which it looks like this. That they sent out was this tweezers, and seriously, you guys, these tweezers are so good. I already used them on myself. I took all the little hairs that I had, and also on my hubby. This one are by Farah, and they're the Galaxy Gold tweezers. This one's retail for $12, you guys, and I love the fact that they're dual ended, as you guys see. Look at that. Just, I never seen tweezers like this, but this side works really, really good to take out like the tiniest little hair. Oh, I just got one now. Like, it works really, really good, you guys. So you guys know that I love tweezers for applying my lashes, so that one's gonna help really good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some foundation, and you guys know I'm gonna be using my Jane Iredale Glow Time foundation in BB7. I'm still BB7. I'm gonna use my foundation brush by IT Cosmetics, which is their Heavenly Luxe brush. A little bit goes a long way, and it smells so good, you guys, and it's so good for your skin. I swear, it has a lot of vitamins, it has skincare. It is just amazing, you guys. This is one of my favorite organic, non-toxic foundations, hands down, that I wish I had every color. Like, seriously, I wish I had. I'm like giving you guys a review. I'll just link it down below, okay? So the last product that I'm gonna use from the box is the drops by Cover FX, and they're glitter drops. So I'm gonna use a tiny bit. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand for you guys first. Okay, so it doesn't look bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. here you guys go, the final look. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys enjoy this get ready with me review unboxing video. I really love BOXYCHARM, you guys. If you guys want me to keep creating videos like this using my BOXYCHARM, because I do get it every month and I'm not being paid to make this video or anything. I wish I was, girl, because your girl needs some money. But you know, I enjoy making them for you. And okay, every time I feel like the white chicks, but I love the white chicks in the movie, okay? Don't come at me. But yes, you guys, I love making these videos for you guys. So if you guys want me to keep making videos like this every month using my BOXYCHARM, then please, girl, let your girl know so I can do it for you guys. I will link you guys down below because I do have an affiliated code, and that code helps me out. If you buy from that code, then I get some money. I get $5, and that would really help your girl out, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was nice seeing you guys again. I hope you guys love the talk through videos because I love it, girl. I'm always like just like eating my food and just watching videos before it's too late to go to work. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.